be Rossi. I don't know. I feel like he had to rob like 3 E's Beauty Supply stores just to get his hair laid down like that, man. It's crazy, man. I'm sad because I feel like E's Beauty Supply is like one more record away from a mixtape. Like, have you ever been on the radio and you just hear like one of their songs come on? That's like a hip hop radio station. Anyways, it's crazy. How y'all guys feeling out here? How y'all feeling? Y'all okay? Y'all okay? It seems like World War III is on the horizon. Yeah? Hey. I'm not ready for that, y'all. I am not ready. I am not prepared. I have watched all the wrong movies for that. Tropic Thunder, Forrest Gump. If the war needs a ping pong player, I am right there. I have been practicing my form. That is all I got. I'm not ready. Like, because I can't. If y'all look at me, you know what I'm saying? I'm not an intimidating dude. I can't fight. You know what I mean? And I'm the youngest. You know what I'm saying? I had a sister who was like 11 months older than me. When we was in high school, I remember one time we was on the bus and these dudes was harassing her. You know what I mean? And she was just like, "Hey, Brandon, like, help me out." So I stood up and I looked at him and I said, "Hey, if anybody's gonna be fucking my sister, it's gonna be me." That bought me 2 semesters, you guys. 2 semesters. I have to be creative, man. I am not a fighter. I'm the funny one. You know what I mean? I look like Chris Rock. Like, that is what it is. Like, I've grown up to be funny, so, you know, like, my dad always told me I was funny, even though he used to tell me, like, at weird ways. Like, it was always when I had to ask him for something. Like, "Hey, Dad, you know, can I get a ride to the park, whatever?" He's like, "You funny." And so, you know, that's who I am. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Also, like, it's New Year. It's like a what? A 6th day out here, man. I don't know. You know, like I've been working on my resolutions. I told myself I was going to be a better person. I'm going to admit this. You know, I tried to, you know, take care of myself. Self-care is important. I got my butt waxed, you guys. Yeah. Manzillion. I did it. I advise you guys to go ahead and do it. Go ahead to Brazilians. Go talk to Shayna. She's waiting on you guys. I thought it was gonna go like my fantasy porno. You know what I mean? Like, you get in there. It's like, all right, drop your pants. Like, all right. Yeah, this is what you're working with today, you know? But she grabbed her stuff, and she was like, all right, so I'm just gonna start. And that's not how you want that. That immediately ended my fantasy, because I just don't want anybody to decide at my penis, man. But it was weird. It's weird, you know, the first couple of days, because it's just clean down there, man. It's just real. I was walking like a cowboy just out the store. All right, partner, be ready to party. You know, it got really weird, and also it's just the Brazilian wax, so it's just out here. Everything else, I'm hairier everywhere else. Like, I still have a very big happy trail. It's just, it stops. It's just like a four-way highway. You know, one exit, you can't miss it. You know what I mean? It just goes into an open pasture, and then behind there, my farts. I'm sorry. Let's talk about farts, people. My farts has never been more free. Yeah, if this was a poetry open mic and I had farted right now, somebody'd be like, "Get free, poet. Get free." I see you, man. I see you. You know, it's a weird feeling, man. So, like, that's who I am. I did it because I had a friend. She tried to get a wax on Groupon. But it turned out to be actually for a guy, so she gave it to me, and I was like, "Yeah, I'll do it." You know what I'm saying? And you can see it afterwards, you know, because I don't know. I thought I'd get in. You know what I'm saying? You know, afterwards, you know, because I usually do anything, you know, just, you know, for a girl, and I advise y'all against that. You know your limits, you guys. Know your limits. You know what I mean? Because sometimes it goes too far. I was with a girl, and she told me she wanted me to hit her. I was like, "Oh, okay." You know, I gave her a couple jabs, you know. Got it easy, you know what I'm saying? I was like, "I'm sorry. You okay?" You know, usually like when you're with a girl, you know what I'm saying, like, how's that? You know what I mean? But I was really concerned, like, how was that? Are you okay? You know, but she gave me a call back, second time around. She wanted to put me in handcuffs. I was like, okay. I thought I said sorry, you know, but we can move along. Third time, she got a little geekier. She had like one of these wands that gives you an electrocution. Whatever. Right. I was like, electrocution? Like, that's a death sentence, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't even have, did you read me my Miranda rights? I don't think I even have a lawyer. It got wild, you know? But that's, like I said, that's just how I am. I'm a weird guy, you know? If a girl says, hey, do this, I'm like, I'm for it, you know what I mean? A girl sent me out to look for tampons for her, and I'm just in the aisle, like I'm goofy, you know what I'm saying? Shopping with his son, with look, maxi pants. I don't know what I'm doing down there, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a weird person. My best friend is my cat. All right, I use my cat for everything. Honestly, you know what I'm saying? I be out and then like, he scratches. You know, I get scratches on me. You know, and one time I was over at my family's house and my uncle had saw it. And he's like, all right, I see you, young blood. Which, if y'all don't know, in black families, if someone says, I see you, that is the strongest compliment you can probably get from one of your family members, all right? So I'm not going to tell him, otherwise that's my cat. No. Goddamn right, you already know how to do it. Putting it down. Actually, I got some pussy at home. I'm actually going to leave right now. All right, I'm going to see y'all, you know? But my cat knows too, because I come home early. He's a rescue cat. So he has like brain trauma. You know what I mean? So his head wobbles a little bit, whatever. So he saw me come home early and he just looked at me and he's home early. All right, you guys, thank you. That's my time. Appreciate it.